So, good evening, members. Today we are going to look at the Google sheet or the Google spreadsheet. It actually resembles the Microsoft Excel. All of the features are the same, except this one is done online. So, it's one of among the important Google tools. So, we shall come here on our taskbar. So we click on our Google engine. So you can either search from here, from the Google search bar, or there is an icon here on the right top corner. So when you click on, you try to take the cursor near to the icon, it will bring Google Apps. So you click on it, so it displays some Google apps which are normally used. So we shall drag down and finally we reach on our Google Sheets icon. So click on it. You can see it has displayed. This is the initial display. So we are going to choose a blank page. So we double click. Finally, this is our Google spreadsheet. You can look at its display. It's similar to that of the Microsoft Excel sheet. So here is what we call a cell. This is a cell. This is a cell. So those cells is where we put our data which we are going to use. So it can either be in word form. Let me say you're writing water. So it can either be numerical 1, 2, 3, or maybe you can put a date like that. So you can either put a word, can either put a number, or you can put date. So anything you want you can do is in the cell. So when you come up here, you see this column of cells up here. They are numbered. Actually, they are written in alphabet, and these ones in rows are written in numericals. So you can see a difference. This one is in column alphabetic. And then these ones on the side, the rows, they are indicated in numericals. So that is it. Another thing I want to tell you is like when you want to write in a cell, they can be either two ways. The first one is writing directly in the cell. And another thing is that when you want to write in another format, but that one you have to first choose at the cell where you're going to put the words. You bring your pointer here and then you have to drag down. So you see up there is a space coming about at the top. So here exactly. So when we choose a cell, let me say like here, and I bring my cursor here, you see that point is indicating there. That is the space where we're going to write, and then our words will appear in the cells in the cell we had chosen. So let me write the word water and we see. So you see that we have written up, but the previous cell we chose is where the words are actually going. So that is another trick of what of recording any information you want in the cell, rather data. So another thing is about the worksheet. So down here is our worksheet, is our current let me say worksheet. So when you want to change the name of a worksheet which is displayed currently, you go on the worksheet, then you double click on it. So it will highlight the word worksheet 1, our current sheet which we're working on. Then you press the back sheet button, you can be able to remove the word and then you edit according to which word you need. Let me say data. So we are going to name it data. So when you click outside that box, it will save itself automatically. So around there, there is a small icon which you can able to use either to choose those options, either to rename the name of your worksheet or any other things you can try to adjust. So when you push the cursor on the left side, so this is an icon which can show you the number of sheets actually which you're using, and when you go further to the plus sign, that is the addition sign, you can be able to add another worksheet. Let us try it. So when we click it, you see it can bring another worksheet. So let us name this worksheet like maybe calculation. So that is another worksheet we have created. So when we want to change maybe the color of our work, our sheet to be different from the other first one, you can click on that icon which is on the right side of that word, and then it will bring you this option. So you can be able, let us choose maybe like red. So you see it has brought red there. So when we click on our work, the icon which shows the how many worksheets we have, you can see this one of data, it has a white color. This one of calculation, so we separated it to a red color actually. So as you know, things like Microsoft Excel, so features above here are actually the same. Like maybe the file, the edit, the view. Let us click the edit. You can see those features of undo, redo. So when you click this one of view, it has show, freeze, comments, and you can actually comment. So this one actually shows the last edits you made and more other things. Other features are same as like for Microsoft Excel. So you can be able to edit your data within the cells and everything moves on smoothly. So calculations are all the same. Let me say like that of 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 of, of making maybe calculations. You can do the same calculations like those of Microsoft Excel. So I think you have got some basics, though there are too many. I think that is enough as for now. Thank you. So don't forget to comment, to subscribe, and like. Remember your comments, they help us to make some adjustments. So thank you once again. Please don't forget to subscribe.